Live Stories. To view live stories, swipe left on the camera screen to see the stories screen. You can find live stories at the top of the stories screen by scrolling down past your recent updates to the live section or by swiping left to the discover screen. Live stories are compilations of snaps from Snapchatters for a specific event or location. Live stories are curated by Snapchat. By viewing live stories, you'll feel like you're at the event, festival, or celebration wherever they are around the world. The proper way to enjoy live stories is the following. Once you are inside the story, the first snap of the story will be shown. If you want to skip that snap, there are two ways. The easier is by tapping over the current snap, and the following snap of the story will be shown. Another way to skip a snap is by swiping left. To learn more about a particular snap, you just need to swipe it, and you can browse the information contained there. To return to the story, just swipe down. If you want to exit the story, you just need to swipe down, and you'll be directed to the stories screen. If you have not finished watching a story, it will be sent to the same spot you left off. If you tap on it again, you will be shown the same snap where you quit watching. If you keep watching the story until the very end, you normally will be invited to subscribe to the Snapchatter who sent the live story. You will then be sent to the stories screen. That recent story you saw will be sent to the last spot of the stories list. All these stories appear for only 24 hours. If you're in the location of a live story, you may be able to submit snaps and contribute them to that story. To contribute to a live story, you have to turn location services on, so Snapchat will know that you are at the location. To submit your snap to a live story, tap the capture button to take a snap. Tap the arrow icon in the lower right-hand corner of the screen. Select the live story to which you want to submit your snap. Please note, if you submit your snap to a live story, it may be published and viewable by anyone. Tap the arrow icon to send.